Hey everyone, if we're meeting for the first time, my name is Paul Vojchehoske and welcome to the Real Estate Classroom YouTube channel. It's just a place where real estate professionals can get tools and tips to stay out of real estate jail. And if you would, real quick, please subscribe to the channel, click that little notification bell next to the subscribe button, and please give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Either way, I don't care. It is all traffic for this channel. All right, today's topic is kind of a hot topic right now because of the inventory and those type of things that's out there, or the lack of inventory. And that is, can a residential real estate agent, let's say, operate in the commercial arena? Can a commercial agent sell residential property? Those type of things. We're going to discuss. So the answer to the question really is depending on what state you're in and whether or not you're a member of the National Association of Realtors. Some states, for example, they have certain restrictions on where the areas you can practice. So for example, if your area of expertise is in residential sales, then to do commercial sales, you would need to have a certain endorsement or some educational requirements fulfilled or something to that effect. Certainly if you're a NAR, a National Association of Realtors member, Article 11 of the code specifically governs this practice. But not every state is the same, and that's something you as an agent need to know so you can have this discussion with your broker. Now, in the state that I'm in, Nebraska basically says that if you have a real estate license, you can practice any type of real estate you want. You can buy and sell commercial or residential or new construction or industrial. Now, license law does prohibit an agent from representing a client in an area that they're not an expert in without making a disclosure or working under the supervision of someone that is the expert. And I think most states have those type of license law provisions without having some kind of special endorsement or restriction. Now, the Code of Realtors, they've pretty much nailed it from a broader perspective. Article 11 of the National Association of Realtors actually addresses this specifically. So let's take a look at what Realtor members are obligated to do. Article 11, the services which Realtors provide their clients and customers shall conform to the standards of practice and competency which are reasonably expected in the specific real estate disciplines in which they are engaging. I don't think we need to really describe that any more than what it says. I think we all understand that. And then this paragraph goes on to outline all the different disciplines of real estate. Now let's look at bullet point number 2. It says, Realtors shall not undertake to provide specialized professional services concerning a type of property or service that is outside their field of competency unless they engage the assistance of one who is competent on such types of property or service, or unless the facts are fully disclosed to the client. Any persons engaged to provide such assistance shall also be identified to the client, and their contribution to the assignment should be set forth. So let's break down Article 11. What does Article 11 mean? It means that, let's say you're a residential sales specialist. That is your area of expertise. And your friend wants to buy a large commercial property. That means you're going to be operating outside of your area of expertise. Article 11 and most state licensing laws forbid this unless, number one, you're working under the direct supervision of someone who is an expert in that area or that discipline of real estate. And if you are going to work under the direct supervision of someone that has that expertise, you must also notify your client that, hey, I don't have the expertise in this commercial area. I'm a residential specialist. However, Tim Smith is going to supervise me in this transaction because he is an expert. And here is the role. This is what he's going to contribute to this transaction. One other option is you can go to your client and say, hey, just FYI, I'm a residential specialist. I know nothing about commercial. Nothing at all, but if you still will allow me to represent you, that would be great. And if the client says yes, I don't care that you're not an expert, then you can go ahead and do the transaction. But in any event, in either case, you need to make sure that you have that disclosure made in writing. Even if you write it on a freaking napkin and put it in the file, you want to document this in case there's an issue later. So make sure disclosure is made. All right, that's all I got for this video. I hope you got something out of it. Please do me a favor if you would. Please subscribe to the channel. And if you would, give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down, either way, and make comments. If you have a question, if I missed something, or you'd like to participate, or you have your own experience, please write it down in the comments. I would appreciate it. Share this video, and until next time, get out there and sell something.